Hi, on this tutorial, we are going to learn about dates. So sometimes you get a scenario where you have three different columns and your dates are separate. So you can do and combine all of them by simply using date formula. Choose the year, choose the month, and choose the date. In scenario 2, you sometimes see value which does not look like date. So maybe it's in different format. You can change the format by just going on the tab and select short date or long date, or in sometimes you can use a formula called text and select the value and choose a format which you want your date to look. And in scenario 3, sometimes your date is in format which looks like date but it is not. If you change it to some other format, long date or short date, it does not change. So in this scenario, you just have to go and replace that. Suppose here you see double line and you replace it by single dash, and here we go, it changes it to date format. You can see it changes into short date or long date. Scenario 4 is kind of similar. Here you just have to change and replace it with this, and you can see this. If you like this video, please do like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.